Kajiado County has critical sources of water towers. Loitoktok being one of them, being at the base of Kilimanjaro. Namanga Hills and Ngong Hills have water, and that water has not reached the people of Kajiado. Worse still, our water from Nolturesh is enjoyed more elsewhere than where it comes from. Even Loitoktok, the home of Nolturesh. The people of Loitoktok must have sufficient Nolturesh water before we even think of the other parts of the county. But even before going out of the county, the people of Kajiado will have priority. Our people must drink their water.
It is on process. The feasibility study has been done, and so we just want to pray God that we get the big project. But meanwhile, the short terms have been put in place. We have some of our boreholes here. We want to get different kiosks for water in different villages within our town, so that we can have people buying water from different kiosks. I know right now they are having some measures of distributing the borehole water. We have already 3 boreholes which we have in Kitengela. They want to pipe their water to different kiosks so that our people can fetch from different locations within the town.